I know I'm helping somebody. I don't care. I know I am. And so what's happening? Yeah. Don't spread this. But I wanted to surprise my sugar babe, so I knew her favorite singer was Luther. Woo 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 woo. So he came down to the whatever that is down there in Chicago, downtown, and so I got some tickets, and I got up front tickets. I went all out. I sat down. I was in the second row in the middle. So we all waiting. Everybody went before. Then the curtain went down, and then you heard a voice in the darkness. It's time for the one, the only. And then, big crescendo in the darkness. Now here's what got me. All these ladies were screaming. A couple guys too. They were screaming. But Luther wasn't on stage. They were screaming like crazy, but he hadn't sang a song. In the darkness, a word came, and they believed the word, even though they couldn't see anything. And then all of a sudden, waiting on that word, you heard, woo, 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 woo. And he came out singing a house ain't a house and a chair ain't a chair unless somebody's sitting there. And then I lost it too. Wow! Caleb is saying, listen, when you've got faith and you've got a word, even when it's in the darkness, if you believe in anticipation of what you're going to expect, you will then respond, and you will, wow, even though you don't see anything, you'll walk toward it, you'll speak it, you'll live it, even though you don't have it, because you know God gave me a promise, and I'm waiting on it. Waiting on it. Waiting on it. Not giving up, not backing up, not letting up, not shutting up, because God promised it to me. You go ahead and cast lots. I got a promise. Anybody out there got a promise? Anybody out there believe in God for something? Hold on. Just wait for it, because it's coming. Yeah, notice here, not just the contentment of faith, which gives you patience. Notice the confidence of faith. Notice the confidence of faith. So the contentment of faith is patience. The confidence of faith, it's proclaimed. 6b, he said, the Lord said unto Moses. 7, the Lord said. Over and over again, the Lord said. Okay, let me get something straight. I know the verse in Job that's taken out of context that everybody talks about, I decree and declare. Don't say it around me. Because I'm going to tell you right off, you can't decree anything. Only God can decree. He decrees, I declare. That's what Peter did. Remember, we talk about all the time. He said, Lord, if it's you, bid me come. If you name it, then I'll claim it. And so here it is. He says, listen, the object of faith, God. Have faith in God? Yes. God named it. Caleb claimed it. So you have the object of faith and the person of the faith. The confidence is this. If you rehearse the promise, your faith will tell your circumstances about what your God told you. That's what you got to do. You've got to have faith that will tell your circumstances about what God told you. Why? Because the circumstance says the end. Faith says to be continued. The Come on. Look at him. Look at the confidence of faith.